In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move images in Constant Contact, a handy feature that can really enhance the appearance and layout of your email templates. Whether you're a seasoned user of Constant Contact or just getting started with email marketing, understanding how to manipulate and position your images can make a big difference in how your emails are received. First, let's start by selecting the image you want to move. Within the email editor, click directly on the image. When you've successfully selected it, you'll see that it's highlighted, indicating it's ready to be moved. Now, this is where the real maneuvering begins. You'll want to click and hold on the image, dragging it to your desired location within the template. As you do this, you'll notice a magenta guideline appearing on your screen. This guideline is a fantastic tool because it shows you exactly where the image will be placed once you release your mouse button. It ensures precision, helping you align the image according to your template's design. Now, you might find that you need a bit more control when dealing with images embedded within text blocks. This is common since text and images often need to complement each other in an email layout. For these situations, there's a handy tool at your disposal, the Image Toolbar. With this, you can align your image to the left, center, or right. It's a simple but powerful feature that provides flexibility in your design, ensuring your images and text play nicely together without you having to compromise on layout or design aesthetic. Another useful technique to consider is the use of the spacer block. Spacers are incredible for adding a bit of breathing room either above or below your images. By dragging and dropping a spacer block, you can create the exact amount of space you need, making it easier to position your images precisely where you want them. This can be particularly helpful in avoiding clutter and ensuring all elements of your email are well balanced and visually appealing. Combine these tools effectively for optimal results. Whether you're shifting an image just a tiny bit to the right or completely reimagining an email structure, remember that practice makes perfect. The more you experiment with these features, the more proficient you'll become at tailoring your emails to match your vision. As you become more comfortable with moving images and using these tools, you'll likely find that your emails not only look more professional, but also engage your audience more effectively. So, take some time to explore and experiment with these steps the next time you're working on a campaign. With a bit of practice, you'll find it quite satisfying to transform a basic email into a visually stunning message that truly resonates with your audience. Happy designing!